How are you? Welcome to everyone. My name is Sanjay Agrawal, and today we are going to learn how we can add lead, lag, and floats. So, in the previous class, we have linked the activities and we have already added the WBS and everything. And if you haven't gone through the previous videos, so I would request you go through the previous video so you can get the sequence. So today, as you can see here, we have added the activities. Now see this. This is the first activity and the total duration is 326 days. Now this is your successor activity, and now what we will do is we will uh, make the relations and we will change the relation. As you can see here, all the relation are finished to start. That means all activities are your critical activities. So what we will do here is we will change the relations. So the first activity, this one, the first activity you can see here, this activity, the successor of this activity is project approval. And here you can see this is the relation. And in this relation, if you change it and if you change it start to start, so as you can see here, this relation has been changed. Now it's time to schedule again it. And once you schedule it, if you scheduled it, so see the relation has been changed. Now the activity both starting at the same time, and see the duration is also had been reduced. So this way you can change the relation. Right now, let's say finish to start. If you want to make it finish to start, that means both activity will finish, make the finish to start. That means after this activity will start. So, but once you add start to start relation, then this means both activity will start at the same time. Again, if you add lag, let's add lag. So adding the lag means I want to delay this activity, project approval. Now this activity is starting from 1st of September. Now we have added the lag. Now let's see. Let's schedule it. After making any changes, you need to schedule it. Now see this. This activity is starting from the second day. This activity is starting from the second day. It means we have added the lag. So you see the total project is 324 days. It means your project has been delayed by 1 day. So this is called lag. That what is lag? When you are applying the lag, when you are adding the lag, that means your project will be delayed. And here it is happening. See this, your project is delayed by 1 day because we have added the lag for 1 day. Again, similarly, let's say if I'm saying it is 0 and here I'm making it finish to start and again schedule it. Then now let's say key here I will add -2. So -2 in the lag is called lead. That means you want to start this activity before the finish to start date. So again, if you schedule it, see this activity has been shifted 2 days early. So now again, your project is 324 days. So this is finish to start -2 day. Earlier it was start to start plus 1 day. So this minus lag is called lead and plus lag is lag. So basically in lag, your project will be delayed, and in lead, your project will finish early. Now, what is float? Float is the amount of delay you can delay in any activity. See this here, we have the float, but you can see here everything has zero float except this. Remove this. I don't want this here. And see this. Every activity is except this. I don't want this also. I will delete it. So because this was the milestone, so I will add and I will show you how we can add the milestone. But as of now, you can see here every activity is showing zero float. It means all activities are critical. Now, how we can add the float? So let's say what I'm saying is let's start this activity. Uh, with this project approval. So I want to start this activity at the same time from this activity. So what I will do, I will remove this site cleaning uh, or I will start this activity Or what I can say is, when we start the land survey, and from the land survey, we will start this activity. So project approval, having the successor site cleaning. So I will remove it first of all. So see this, here we will remove this project approval site cleaning activity. So this relation will be removed. Once this relation will remove, then only you can see the float. Now see this relation has been removed. Now what I'm saying is, with the land survey, with this is your land survey activity. With the land survey, I want to start site cleaning work. So what I will do is I will select this land survey activity, and with this land survey activity, I will start the site cleaning. So the same thing as you can see here this way, see this, the relation has been shifted. That means there is no relation. There is no relation. So that means if you go to the schedule, so once you schedule it, this activity will be shifted here only. So I don't want this. That's why I will shift it with this way. See here. So I will select this and I will go to the successor, assign this. And as a successor, I will assign this activity, this one, site cleaning work, like this way. And now I will schedule it like this. Once you schedule this, that means the successor of site, land survey and soil testing is site cleaning work. Earlier, the predecessor of the site cleaning was project approval. But now I have changed it. I have changed it with this. So this way you can see here, in this project approval, having no relation at the end. At the end side there is no relations. So that's why this activity can be delayed. We can delay this project approval activity because it is not having any relation, because it is not sharing any relation at the end. That's why this activity can be delayed. So if you want to delay that activity, that means this is the non-critical activity. And if it is non-critical activity, so it will show you some float. So here you can see it is showing you 295 days of float. Similarly, as you can see here, this activity, right? If you add excavation work, let's say this excavation work, and if you want to start this excavation work with start to start like this way, if you want to start this with this, see this. So this way, what I'm doing is I'm making the changes start to start, but here you cannot see any float because these two activities having relation start to start. But what if I don't want to make the relation with this? I want to make relation with this project approval. Then you can see the float. See this. Here I'm removing it. I'm removing it this way. And now I want to apply the successor with this project approval. So I will select here and go to assign. And now I will assign this activity. Now you can schedule it. Once you schedule it, so you will see here this way. So see this. Now this has become your non-critical activity because we have assigned this. So this way, now this is your non-critical activity and this becomes critical activity. So total duration of the critical path is 320 days. But earlier, when it was not the successor, right, it was free and this was assigned with this way, excavation for foundation, this way, and this was the duration. So you can see here the total duration was 311 days. And this was the non-critical activity. So this is the way to change. And see, you don't apply the float, you just add the relation, you change the relation on the basis of your relation. you can see the float, but directly you can apply lag, directly you can apply lead. So this is all about lag, lead, and float. Float is the amount of delay. That means you can delay this activity by 295 days. So your project won't be delayed, right? In lag, your project will delay. In lead, your project will finish early. So this is all about lag, lead, and float. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. In the next class, we will add milestones and constraints. Thank you, everyone.